Hey guys, it's Cody here from Crab King. Today I'm just going to show you how to set up your crab cuffs. So in the pack, you'll see, we'll open this up and you'll find that you've got a sticker, you've got the end caps, you've got the cord, and you've got the cuffs. Alright guys, I'll give you a quick demonstration on how to assemble this. So first of all, we like to get the crab cuff. We'll slide the cord through the front of the crab cuff. We will then tie a granny knot towards the back end of the shock cord, and we'll try and get that cord as close as we can to the end. We'll then pull that tight. Repeat the process again. So through the front, another granny knot, pull him tight, we'll then grab two end caps. So one will go over the end of the cord so that the cap is at the top. So the end cap goes on. When we're tying this one, we'll try and get the cord or the knot as far as we can to the end of the cord. So it looks something like that. So that when we pull this cord, it's easy to close the end cap. So we'll repeat that process again. Cord goes into the cap. Another granny knot, and as close as we can to the end. Then we'll pull that tight. We'll close the end cap. And that's it. As you can see here, you've got a little bit of excess cord. We can actually trim them up later on, and then we just use a lighter to seal them back up. And that's it. That's your end product for your crab cuff.